Good evening and welcome to video number 7. Today we're meeting up with Creep John, Meatball Mullen, and Meatball Manmo. Actually, I can hear them in the distance. They're coming around right now. Today we're going to go on an adventure, a pretty big adventure, all-day adventure, so there should be plenty of content, plenty of fun, plenty of wheelies. Let's get active. Alright, well we just ran out of fucking freaking gas, so now we are an actual mountain bike. Push it on the sidewalk. Everyone's looking at me. Come on, come on. We're almost there. Holy, we have made it. She was really thirsty. Give her that good stuff. Supreme Plus. Alright, I don't even know what the hell this thing is called, but Dawson just got it, and I love it. This thing is fucking sweet. It feels so small and it's like as light as my bike. It's mine. It's mine. I'll be taking this home. Dude, it feels so sick. This thing is so badass.
The only thing wrong with it, I had to get touch-up paint. His riding pants scratched the tank, but that's about it.
I love the fucking color of it,
me
too.
1 year of it. It's usually green and yellow. I mean, green and black. 1 year of that color.
I love this fucking
2019.
thing. It's fucking so badass. It's so small. What the fuck? You just kill switch me, you dick! Oh shit. Did you just see that guy hit that garbage can? To make it. Someone's gotta get the Island Boys off that quad. Oh my god. Dude, they're gonna kill themselves. I know. Whoa! Over the rainbow! Whoa! That guy almost just ran you right off the road. Light him up! Light him up! And that's a wrap. Thank you all for watching the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Leave me a comment down below what bike you guys ride. I'm curious. And always remember to keep on romping.